Ryan here, Silly Reviews. Do you own a blink camera, multiple blink cameras like myself? Eventually, you are going to run into this problem. Look at the carport camera. Low battery. These are lithium batteries. Energizer lithium batteries. They're expensive. I'm going to show you how to mitigate that expense when you need to replace them by getting these Tenavolts Rechargeable AA Lithium 2775 milliwatt hour AA rechargeable batteries. They keep a constant output of 1.5 volts, which is what your blink cameras need to stay going, to stay charged, to stay healthy. 4-pack of these with the charger, lithium rechargeables, constant 1.5 volts. It's gonna run you $34.99 on Amazon, but right now at the time of this video, they do have an 18% off. Clip that coupon, daddy. Look how cool that charger base is. We've got LED lights, we've got all that stuff. We need to pop the top. We need to get 2 of these daddies out of here because we're gonna take that carport camera, we're gonna give it new life, new juice. Initial investment is pricier than picking up a 4-pack of those Energizer lithiums. But once you replace these daddies 2 times, 3 times, multiple times, I've got faith in these things. You're going to save that money. You're going to keep your home security going. You're going to watch out for the prowlers, the night crawlers. All right, here's that carport camera. Got it by my back door. Battery is low. It's still online, but it has not been recording. So we're going to take that daddy down. We're going to take this Blink XT outdoor camera. We're going to pop those old batteries off. And when you replace your batteries, go ahead, clean your screen, clean your motion detector, clean your lens. Then go ahead with those rubber gaskets, those rubber fillings. Now, I'm having a hard time here. I'm having a hard time. I don't know if I've ever replaced a battery in the XT cameras that I have, the outdoor blink cameras. I can't figure it out, guys. Oh, you're going to have to bear with me because this was an unforeseen error on Ryan's part for Silly Reviews. But we're going to get these Tenavolts in there because we got to use them. We got to get our money back. I'm going to step inside. I'm going to rethink things. I'm going to calm down just a little bit. Oh, what you need to do is hold down and at the same time keep holding down. Then you're going to pop that back off. Boop, bap. Now, those batteries, low battery, they're done for. I'm not getting any security outside. We're going to take those daddies out. We're going to put the Tenavolts in, okay? Weird name. 10 volts? It's not 10 volts. 1.5 volt constant, each of these. Rechargeable lithium. This is rich people shit right here, okay? Click that daddy back in there. We're gonna reapply it to the holder outside. We're going to have protection once again on the back door at the Palace of Ryan. Ryan for Silly Reviews. Let's put it in there. It's going to be a quick click. I love these blink cameras. I've been talking about them for years and years and years. Hello. We're back in action. I see the light on. Check it out. Look at Ryan. Ryan's got the headband cam on. He's waving at you. Let's do a double test, a double check on the motion sensor. Is it recording? Oh, yeah. We're back. Tenavolts. Pick these up. Link in the description. Link in the pinned comment. Get the Tenavolts 1.5 constant. Check the app. No more low battery warning. Tenavolts. Pick them up. Pick them up. Ryan here.
Silly Reviews. Silly Reviews.